I guess Jacinta Ngobese is boycotting all sporting events that are coming to South Africa because recently she said South Africa shouldn't be hosting any major sporting events, especially AFCON, until the nation resolves all its illegal immigration problems. This situation obviously involves the Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Gayton McKenzie, because obviously he facilitates all these events. The next AFCON won't be hosted in South Africa. I think it will be hosted somewhere in Kenya. So yeah, this one, man, Jacinta, why? Because when it comes to sporting events, Olympics, AFCON, World Cup, etc., doesn't that create jobs for South Africans? So it's contradictory what she's saying. So even if the whole illegal immigration issue is a problem, the people that are coming to South Africa will be having visas. They won't even be illegal. And there will be jobs for South Africans. So this doesn't even make sense by Jacinta at this point. Like, why are you boycotting AFCON? Jacinta Ngobese Zuma sparked public debate by opposing South Africa's bid to host major continental soccer tournaments like the African Cup of Nations, AFCON. She criticized Sports, Arts and Culture Minister Gayton McKenzie, arguing that the country should not host large events until local border control and illegal immigration issues are resolved. So Ngobese Zuma argued that hosting events like the AFCON risk letting more undocumented foreign nationals enter the country without proper tracking or intent to leave. So she stated that local infrastructure and government resources should focus on domestic challenges rather than international sports hosting. Yeah, does she even understand how geopolitics works? Like really? So like South Africa should just only focus on itself. No import, no export. Like at this point, I wouldn't be surprised that she would say that, hey, South Africa shouldn't be trading with any African country. Like that's the next thing that I'm thinking of. Because if she's saying that South Africa shouldn't even host like major events, oh man, this like, geez, Jacinta, come on. Like, use your brain, man. Like, in this instance, I'm even starting to think that Jacinta is just saying things just to remain relevant. I mean, yeah, the 30th of June was the last day when it comes to major protests against illegal immigrants. And I think at this point, she kind of wants to be relevant. She wants people to be talking about her, maybe the news to be talking about her, because recently she launched an NPO. I guess that didn't create enough buzz for her, because we are still waiting for that NGO to actually do something for the community. She said she's going to be taking people out of the street